Hi friends, today I am covering the capital of Austria and one of Europe's most visited cities, Vienna. Vienna owes much of its charm and rich history of its splendid location on the banks of Danube River. We started our Vienna exploration from St. Stephens Cathedral. It was a parish church in the 12th century. Today, it is the home church for the Catholic archbishop in Vienna. The church was destroyed in World War II but was rebuilt in 7 years, with worship service still held daily. Its impressive roof is covered by 230,000 glazed tiles. The cathedral has more than 18 altaras, all built at different times, and contain precious work of art as well. Open sandwiches are common Viennese snack, made popular by an iconic company, Trzesniewski. Small slabs of rye bread with a wide variety of toppings, and often accompanied by a Pfiff beer. They are perfect for a mid-morning snack. Found right in the center of Vienna, Hofburg Palace was once home to the Habsburgs until 1918 and remains one of the grandest buildings of its kind. This vast complex covers 59 acres with 18 groups of buildings including 19 courtyards and 2,600 rooms. Its main attractions are the Imperial Apartments, the Sissi Museum and the Silver Collections. Information guided tours are available in English. Founded in 1786, the famous Daimler is not only the oldest cafe and bakeries in Vienna, it's perhaps the most memorable food experience you will have in this wonderful city. Some of these delicious treats were once used to satisfy the cravings of Emperor Franz Joseph. Vienna's Nash Market has a centuries-long tradition as it's called the belly of Vienna. If the Nash Market doesn't have it, you don't need it. That is a market slogan and residents are still convinced by it. Once the capital of an imposing empire, Vienna boasts dozens of historical sites, world-class museums, and of course, beautiful architecture. While one day in Vienna may not be enough to explore everything the city has to offer, you can still get a good taste of the city. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.